My name is Lori Wood and welcome to LifePoint Announcements. Are you a new 5th or 6th grader? Join us tonight at 6 p.m. for Club 56. Crazy games, dig into God's Word, and meet new friends. We'd love to see you there. Attention all middle school and high schoolers. LifePoint Youth Ministries is meeting tonight at 6 p.m. If you've not checked it out, why not give it a shot and join us tonight? The Redemptive Arts Tech team is expanding. We need people who are in 7th grade or older who would be willing to help video record Pastor Brad's sermons on Sunday mornings. There will be 1-hour training to help you feel comfortable with the equipment. Please email bailey@lifepoint.cc if you're interested. Wednesdays at LifePoint is back. Join us for a new teaching series, When God's People Pray, hosted by Jim Cymbala, Senior Pastor at Brooklyn Tabernacle. Small group discussion will be led by Pastor Brad. Bring the kids too. Wild, Outrageous Wednesdays is back at Kids Point. Kids, infant through 6th grade will have their own fun and study during the adult learning time. Come one, come all. Learn how prayer radically changed the lives of others and the mission of the church. There are several ways to connect with us during the week. Our website, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks for watching LifePoint Announcements.